Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Georgie's Bird Photography, Take the Shot. In this video we find ourselves in Nickerson Beach, New York, photographing the common tern. This beautiful seabird is mostly found in lakes, oceans, and bay beaches, and in the summer by the coastal areas. Common terns are vocal and sociable birds that make their presence well known. They stand and walk in their own territories. You're going to see a small account of what I call the courting ritual of these beautiful birds. As the female waits by the sand or waits by the feeding area or the nesting area, the male hunts for a fish. As he returns and lands by her side, he offers the fish to her. If she accepts, mating may take place. On some occasions, the male and female engage in a small fight. But after that, it's all about love. I had a wonderful time photographing these beautiful birds. It was quite an experience, and I can't wait to go back. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. I truly appreciate it. Till next time, God bless, and thanks for watching.